Welcome to solverfy.
Question 27. We start with a function of 4 e to the negative x squared sine x equals x squared minus x plus 1. That's my function. So my f of x, I'm going to bring everything to one side. F of x equals 4 e to the negative x squared sine of x minus x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. And my f prime of x, I have to use my chain rule. So my chain rule is, my product rule. I have 4 e to the negative x squared. That's going to be cosine x minus 2x sine x. Minus 2x plus 1. So now I'm going to have x n plus 1 equals x to the n minus f of x over f prime of x. So that gives me 4 e to the negative x squared sine of x minus x squared plus x minus 1. And I'm going to erase this. I'm going to put this just in there, and I'm going to have x of n minus all of that. Didn't have to rewrite all of that. So I have over x prime, which is 4 e to the negative x squared times cosine x minus 2x sine x, because of the chain rule and the product rule, minus 2x plus 1. And now I can see when I graph that I have close to 0.2 and close to 1.1. So I'm going to do two different x of 1, 0.2, and when I plug 0.2 in for my x value, and again this should be approximately, I get 0.21883273. When I plug that in for my x value, I get 0.21916357, and when I plug that in for my x value, I get 0.2191 219,163,68, and that also equals my x of 5 value. So that's when I stop. My x of 1 for my 1.1, I plug that in for my x value, and I get 1.08432,830. I plug that in for my x value, and I get 1.08422,462, and I get the same thing for x of 4, so I stop there. Those are my two answers.